This video demonstrates the process of filling a 3U rack-mounted fire extinguisher cylinder. Step 1. Install the filling and pressurizing adapter. Step 2. Connect the universal filling and pressurizing pipeline. Step 3. Turn on the pressure gauge switch. Step 4. Reset the electronic scale and fill the fire extinguishing agent to 1 kilogram. Step 5. Pressurize the fire extinguisher cylinder to 2 megapascals. Step 6. Remove the filling and pressurizing pipelines. The filling process is now complete.